Welcome to Learning Corner. We have our new video. With this video, we are going to learn three new tutorials. One is the simple table formatting and graphical representation in two different type of graphs, bar chart and the pie chart. I'm using my previous videos data to create this table and two graphs. This was used for my first video. This has the illustration of 6 salesperson performances for 3 months, their total performance and average per month performance. So this tutorial is all about table formatting, graphical representation, bar chart and pie chart. The objective is to achieve something like this, which I'm showing the formatted simple dashboard for the data which I presented before, which is on my sheet number 2. So let's begin with the first tutorial of formatting the table. So I have this data which is not formatted yet. I'm going to select the rows and columns to add the borders. So just by clicking all borders, you will be able to create borders. This is my heading. I'm going to change this heading in the required color theme. I'm selecting this blue color, and my total obviously should be different from the rest of the data. Again, blue, and this is my total. I can keep this with blue or something different from the scheme. So we have used only two tools right now from the home ribbon, which is the borders. We used all border, and we use the color theme for our headings and the totals. Now you may have noticed that all the columns are not formatted. It's not showing the complete information. So that means that we need to adjust the columns. So in order to adjust the columns, you can simply select column B to column H, and you can at this point double click, and it is going to adjust the width automatically, but I just want to keep all the widths aligned to each other, and then so it looks um, presentable. And I'm going to select the heading, and I'm just going to align this by center of the headings using this option, and I want to keep my heading bold and the total as bold. Second tutorial is about the graphical representation. First, we are going to have a bar chart. I want to show 3 months performance of all 6 salesperson, and I want to show this in bar graphical representation. So in order to do that, you have to select this data from cell C4 to F10, going to insert option and bar, and I'm going to use clustered bar. So this is my bar chart. I'm going to give this chart a heading, quarter performance. I'm going to place this chart somewhere in my document so it looks everything should be presentable and can be easily viewed by the viewers. So I have my table, and then I have at the bottom my quarter performance, and this quarter performance is currently showing sales performance, sales people, their salesperson performance by month, and month are showing as the colored legends, but I want to show something different. Uh, right now, each salesperson has is on the x-axis, and these are the in graph. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. So in x-axis, currently I have salesman name, but I want to replace this with the month. In order to do that, you have to simply go into your chart filters, and from chart filter, select data, and you can switch the row and column. By switching row and column, what it is now showing, that x-axis is my month 1, month 2, and month 3, and all the colored legends are for my salesperson. This representation is recommended for this kind of performance to clearly see our monthly best performer, to clearly see which performances are clearly standing um, as best. For example, month 1, I can see that sales, this yellow bar, which is salesman number 4, is standing out. And then month 3, we have salesman number 6, which is clearly stand out across all the performers. My next part of this tutorial is the creating pie chart. I want to know that how much each of these salesperson share across 3 months, the share in terms of their sales or the distribution. In order to clearly see that, you will need pie chart. And to create pie chart, you have to select name, and then you can keep pressing control from your keyboard and select total, go to insert, and this is your pie chart. And from pie chart, I'm just taking the simple pie chart. I will name the chart as share percentage. So I have placed my pie chart beside quarter performance, and this pie chart is showing the slices. That is nothing but the share percentage for the 3 months performance of salesman 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in order to see these slices in terms of the numbers, we can add those values as well. So to show the amount or their share percentage, we can simply add data label, add data label. I'm going to go into the more option, and from more option, what I want is I just need the percentage. To present percentage, I'm going to check percentage. I will remove value and will add category name, so we'll see their names. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to present this data outside end, so you will see all the numbers outside the pie chart. And we are done here. I'll close this, and now we don't need these legends, so we can simply select and delete from the keyboard. So now you have these percentages. So this is clearly showing me that 25% is the maximum share by salesman number 6. Now this dashboard has table um, data, your bar chart, and your pie chart. This empty area, what you can do, you can simply add your comments here. Insert, from insert, you can add a text box, and you can simply give this text box a heading of comment, and you can drag as you want, and I can give that a color. We can bold this heading, you can increase the fonts to look it better, and then here you can add your comments. For example, my comments, I don't have any comments, so ABC XYZ. So we have this small dashboard ready, but something is missing, which is the heading of the data. So here we are going to add the name of the company. So let's assume it's Amazing Company Limited. And we are going to select the complete data till comments. I will merge the heading, increase the font size so it should stand out. So now you can clearly see that we have the dashboard ready, which is showing our table, comment section, and we have two graphical representation, bar chart and the pie chart. So I hope you like this video. Please share and do comment on this video, so I would know that what we can work next in order to help everyone, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.